There are days when my mind just feels cluttered, like I can't focus on anything no matter how hard I try. That's when I decided to try something different, and honestly, it changed more than I expected. It's called the Edison Wave, an 11-minute sound wave designed to activate alpha brainwaves. When I first heard about it, I was curious but also a little skeptical. 11 minutes? Could that really make a difference? The first time I listened, I noticed something subtle but powerful. My thoughts started slowing down in the best way. Instead of bouncing all over the place, I felt like I could breathe, focus, and think clearly again. Science says alpha brainwaves move between 8 and 12 Hz, and they're linked to creativity and high-level thinking. I didn't need a textbook to tell me though, I could feel it. Ideas started flowing, and I felt lighter. The fact that it only takes 11 minutes makes it easy to fit into my day. Whether I'm getting ready in the morning or winding down at night, it's simple to press play and let the sound do its thing. After a few days, I noticed how much sharper and calmer I was. Tasks that normally stressed me out became manageable, and I started handling challenges with more confidence and ease. What I really like is that it doesn't feel forced. There's no complicated process, just you, the sound, and this wave of focus that sticks with you long after. It feels almost effortless. I've tried a lot of things to stay productive, but this is different. It's not about pushing harder, it's about unlocking a calmer, more focused version of yourself. And that shift makes such a big difference. If you've been searching for something to clear the mental fog and spark your creativity, this is definitely worth trying. Trust me, you'll notice the change. And remember, you can check the link in the description to find it. Thanks so much for spending this time with me today. If this helped you, be sure to watch my other videos for more.